Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use Google Photos with our Google accounts. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Google Photos application on your phone, and if you want to use it with Google account, make sure that you have logged into your Google account on your device, and if you have logged in, the account will be automatically linked to your Google Photos. And after that, you just need to click on this profile button right here, and this is your Google account. And if you want to back up your photo to Google Photo, you just need to click on photo settings right here, and after that you can click on backup, and make sure that you activate this backup option, so your photos will be backed up to your Google account on your Google Photo. And you can also set the backup quality. You just need to click on backup quality right here, and you can choose either original quality, or you can choose storage saver, and it's up to you. And you can go back to the previous section, and you can also select the backup device folder, and you can choose the folder that you want to back up to your Google Photo, and you just need to click on the toggle button to select it. And here I have a selected camera folder, and I'm going to add download folder, so just click on the toggle button. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google Photos with our Google account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.